Got some snow last night. It's still snowing actually. Look at all those trees full of snow. The trampoline's gonna need a clean out. We don't get much snow around here. We're about 30 miles northeast of Seattle. But we finally got a decent snow. I'd say about 1.5 feet right now. There's Cooper doing his thing. It's kind of hard to get to my shop right now. Sorry, I'm hand holding. My big truck's covered in snow. Beautiful though. Cooper loves it. Right, Cooper? Yeah, we're gonna have to have the kids clean off the trampoline today. It's sagging pretty good. I'm gonna have to take the tractor out and move some snow. So we're expecting more this afternoon and tonight. So he doesn't care whether it's cold or snowy. He's chewing on his bone. Right, Cooper? Cooper. My neighbors have a bunch of animals, but it looks like they're all inside. They got llamas, goats, chickens, rabbits. I think they're gonna get some pigs too. Beautiful day. Right, Cooper? He says, whatever. Let's walk out to the front of the house. So, kind of hard to walk. Oh, steps. Whoa. I don't know if I'll be able to open the gate or not. Oop. Oop, oop. There you go. Barely. Look at that. I know this isn't a whole lot. I used to live in Montana where we get 1.5 feet a night, every night for a week. But for parts out here where we are, this is quite a bit. It doesn't snow more than a couple of days here usually. So I gotta remove the snow all the way from here to the road. We'll see if the neighbor needs a little help too. They don't have any tractor or anything like that, so we'll see.